Hey guys, welcome back to CODEITUP with HRISHAV. Hope you are well introduced to Python, and from this video we'll start with the practicals of Python. So let's get ahead and download the Python and the VS Code. Open a browser, type Python download and click on the first link. If you are programming on Windows, then go ahead and click this button. And if you have any other OS such as Mac OS, click here and download this Python. Click on this link, and as I'm using Windows, I'll go ahead with this and download it. Now choose make sure to choose this add Python 3.10 to path. It's very important, and if you will not do so, you can face problems in the future. Then click on install now. Till it's installing, let's download the interpreter. You think that Python will be enough for you, as it is the base interpreter. And yes, it is. But you'll think, why am I making you download VS Code? I'm making you download it because it provides you a very good user interface. It highlights the code and auto completes the code. But don't think that it will write the code for you. Now let's get ahead and download VS Code. Just type VS Code in the browser and click on the first link. Download for Windows. If you have a Windows, then it will download. Click on download. It's downloaded, and just run a check and Windows icon and click command prompt admin and give all the allow it and click yes, and type pip here. If you can see that no error is coming, then it's totally fine. And if the error comes, I'll shortly make a video how to solve that error. So let's close this command prompt, and our Python installation is complete. To close this and install VS Code. Accept, next, 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 and finally install it. Let's wait till VS Code installs. It's installed and click on finish. So here's your wonderful VS Code interpreter. Let's go ahead and click on file and open a folder, and then click on any folder and select it. And if you have to, and I think you must know that a Python file is saved with an extension of .py. So let's say I name the file as first or tut1.py. Here you can see my Python is installed and I've created my file, and let's try it if it's working or not. Let's type subscribe, subscribe, and save it and run. Voila! Your Python is working fine and your VS Code is working fine too. And I told you about the auto completion of code. Let's say I have to write print, and here you can see print. It gives me auto suggestion that print. If you have to write print, just press tab. If you will press tab, it will auto complete the sprint, and it will make your work faster. And hope you have successfully downloaded and installed Python and VS Code. Go ahead with this playlist, and I'll upload all my Python videos here. This is the playlist where I will upload all my Python videos, and follow this playlist to learn about Python. And I'll see you next time.